Federica turns on the lights of the laboratory and begins to carry out her precious work in the service of our community, just as hundreds of other women and men studying, researching, and working at the Istituto Zoprofilatico Sperimentale della Lombardia e della Emilia-Romagna have continued to do for the last 94 years. Our institute was founded in Brescia in 1921 at the behest of some far-sighted and visionary figures of science and agriculture, including Bruno Ubertini, after whom we are named. The initial unit, called Experimental Station for Infectious Diseases of Livestock, would eventually give way to the most important zooprophylactic institute in Italy, with 17 branches in various provinces and around 650 employees. And so, our human resources are our most precious treasure. Top professionals with skills and knowledge recognized by the entire international scientific community. A marvelous group of people whose work is based on being available and caring for both men and animals, whose welfare they are called upon to protect. What does the Zooprophylactic Institute actually do, and what principles is it inspired by? We are a public health body that provides services and collaboration in the field of public health and hygiene. We work to promote health, food safety, and agribusiness production activities while upholding ethical values to assist in the socio-economic development of the country. Our activities may be broken down into 4 main areas of activity. Animal health, essentially clear and thorough diagnostic work on animal species of major interest, pets and wildlife. This includes laboratory tests, interventions in breeding farms, epidemiological data processing and risk assessment, and the study of potential vectors and reservoirs of pathogens for humans and animals. Our diagnostic activities as a whole support the health authorities, farmers, and food processing companies in preventing the main endemic and epidemic diseases, in addition to zoonoses, also through the application of monitoring plans. Food safety, meeting the primary requirements dictated by the European Union, state and region to protect the food we consume every day. This objective is achieved through constant and widespread quality control of food products and chains, which involves food business operators both at primary production and further processing level. Animal welfare, closely related to the areas of livestock production quality and typical local productions. We evaluate farming, transport, and slaughter conditions as a prerequisite to ensure accurate food chain certification. Basic and targeted research, developing knowledge in the fields of veterinary health and food hygiene and safety. This is one of the Institute's most prestigious and important activities. Some of our major accomplishments in this area are our recognized competence in the field of veterinary monoclonal antibodies, the development and production of diagnostic kits, reagents, recombinant antigens, and vaccines distributed throughout Italy and in over 60 countries worldwide, and the development and validation of innovative diagnostic methods and techniques. Our continuous research earned us the assignment by the Ministry of Health of 13 national reference centres on specific diseases and general health issues. At the same time, some of our technical excellences have been recognised by major international health organisations, OIE and FAO, as their own world reference laboratories. Our enormous wealth of knowledge includes both a scientific library with about 20,000 volumes and 2,000 periodicals which may be consulted by anyone upon request, and a veterinary biobank, recognized by the OIE as a worldwide collaboration center which digitizes and categorizes the biological resources available in the Institute. All our actions are inspired by and draw sustenance from what our founders left to future generations of workers and scientists as a moral testament. Their words are engraved in the marble of the collective memory of all the people who work here. Provide, plan, prevent. Istituto Zoprofilatico Sperimentale della Lombardia e della Emilia-Romagna, Bruno Ubertini. Our experience, your safety.